A lot of teachers have been looking for a substitute for Flipgrid, and WeVideo has provided that option for teachers. It is called Quick Recordings, so you can access it by going to Classes. You'll need to set up a class first. Once you have set up your class, you get inside, go to Create Assignment, and then this drop down will show up. You'll click on the Quick Recording, give your assignment a name. You can give descriptions to it as well. You can give options in terms of what type of recording you want it to be. It can be the webcam, it can be screen, or it can be dual. And then this drop down here is the maximum duration. So this is similar to like Flipgrid. So you can set it to be 30 seconds long, 1 minute, all the way up to 10 minutes. You can import a cover photo. You can add a sample video if you want as well too. Once you have that all set, you go to next. You give it a date for assignment, and then this is a cool option, the class feed. So it enables students to view classmate submissions. So it gives you a couple different options. The first one, students must submit their assignment before they can view their classmate submission. You can click on that one. I like this one here. Submissions are hidden from the class feed until myself as the teacher is able to approve those. And I can give the option for students to leave comments if they want to.